So how do you use Kajabi to build your entire online business on? If you're asking yourself that question, then stick around and watch this video. I'm going to show you inside my Kajabi account how I've built my entire business using this one platform. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan. And the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform. And this is why I've put together this program, Zero to Kajabi Hero, to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we are in my partner's dashboard, and this is where I'll be spending most of these how-tos, because I'm going to be starting to build part of my partner's dashboard out from scratch so you can see the steps. But how do you actually connect everything up with Kajabi, and how do you actually use it to build and grow an online business? Some of the first things you need to do is to scroll down to settings in your account, just simply log in, and then just have a look at some of these settings, these site settings, and then you've got account settings. Now the site settings go across all of your site, but then the account settings, if you have more than one site, that will be applicable to your whole account. So for example, some of the site details here, I'm going to show you how to sort of connect up. But the first thing you need to do is go into your domain. And if you've purchased the domain, great. If you haven't, go and purchase a domain. If it's your name, your business, or the name of yourself, if you're a personal brand, and then follow the steps here, actually how to set up a personal domain. Even if you don't know where to go, there's a little question mark here that you can actually pop out and actually learn more. But Kajabi do a decent job of actually hand-holding you through each stage of this process. But this is my partner's account, so I haven't actually bought a domain here. This is just a subdomain, and I'm just going to show you what else you need to set up. So if you haven't done that in your own account, that's the first thing you need to do. Then I'm going to go back to settings. Some of the things I'm going to go through now under site details. So some of these things will actually make your life a lot easier. So from here, you've got all your information, your general information, fill that out. And like I say, this is my partner account, so I haven't used this live. I just use this for trainings. So you've got options here for homepage. So you can either show your store, your library, a separate landing page, or actually show the templated homepage. I would just recommend showing the templated homepage. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to build out your website and your homepage, but just leave it to that for now. Then you're going to want to put in some branding, and like I say, this will help you out down the line. So choose a social image, 640 by 640. This is going to be your logo. So what I've done is I'm just going to upload something from my desktop. I'm going to use one of my main logos here, and I'm going to click save. And again, you'll see that this will save time in the long run. Then you want a favicon. Make sure you actually click save each time you do this, because if you forget to, it actually won't save it for you. Then we need a favicon. So let's have a favicon. This is just your favorite icon that is very small in size, but actually try and get that built out for your brand. If you haven't got any brand logos, contact a designer, try and get them to do you some on the cheap. And then your color palette. So again, I'm just going to save that, and then I'm going to go to the top and save. Then I'm going to come down in color palette. Right, these are the colors that Kajabi is going to let you select each time you actually build out anything. So it will save you time if you know your color palette. So I'm just going to go and grab, I know my colors. I've got a light blue and a dark blue and a white and black and gray. So I'm just going to come in here and add in the hex code of my color palette here. So that's going to be the blue that I use. And then I know that I've got a dark blue as well that is in my brand guidelines. And again, I'll just show you a little bit of that in a second. But this is what you should be doing to build out. I might want a white here. I know that a white is 6 Fs there, and then a black is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I probably don't want that purple in there. I probably want some sort of grey. So I'm going to actually grab this grey here and then just put it in here, just ease of use. So the top line is probably what I would recommend as using as a color palette. So then you come down and then you've got a profile image. Now this is a square image, 300 by 300. And I'll probably try and use either a social image that you have. I've just got one here that I can just use as an example, just a headshot. That's the one I use across socials, and I'm just going to upload it onto this site. And then give your site a name, or give yourself a name, give yourself a title. So, and then title, whatever you want, instructor bio. These are going to be pulled through for your different courseware. So any header page scripts I'll skip for now, but the SEO and sharing is really important. So put the name of your site in there, a site description, and then any social image you want to pull through. I'm just going to pull through this logo here. I'm quite happy with that. And then that will, if at any time you share this site with anyone, it's going to pull through an image and it's going to pull through your description. Try and get your content description under 160 characters and then click save. If you are on one of the plans where it can allow you to display or not powered by Kajabi, that's your choice. I can actually toggle it off some of the growth plan, but that just going through your site details will actually help you in the long run. So some of the main things really in settings, just have a look through and just play with them, get used to them. But the main reason why Kajabi can host your entire online business is that you can point your domain to it. You can host your main domain page, your main website landing page. Then you can point them through to a sales page, and then you can point them through to a checkout page, and then actually add that checkout to cart, take some payment, and then deliver an online course. So if it's courses, coaching, memberships, anything like that that you're considering putting together, then this site has it all under one roof. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course that I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.